Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add mods on Hostinger in just a few minutes. If you've ever wanted to customize your website or server beyond the basics, adding mods is a great way to expand functionality and improve your experience. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to Hostinger's website. Once the homepage loads, click on the login button at the top right corner. This step is important since you'll need access to your account dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, go to the Home section, which is basically the hub for all your hosting activities. Next, click Manage on the website or server you want to modify. This takes you into the Control panel. Look for the Files option, then choose File Manager. This is where you can upload, organize, and edit the files connected to your website or server. Inside File Manager, locate your site's root directory. For example, it might be named something like public_HTML or based on your domain. Clicking this folder gives you direct access to the files you'll be modifying. Now, click on File Upload. A dialog box will pop up, letting you browse your computer, select the mod files you've downloaded, confirm the upload, and Hostinger will place them right into your server. And that's it. You've successfully added mods to your Hostinger site. From here, your new features should be active, giving your platform fresh functionality. Thanks for watching and happy modding.